la 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 la.
Bobbee Bhai. He burst on the scene already a legend, a gentleman and a rider. Part of the original cast iron Enfield enthusiast tribe. Bobby's rebuilds of classic Enfields got as much attention as his photo shoots, professional, creative, properly art directed. Bobbee works with his hands, hammering metal into fairings, building one-of-a-kind machines for people who like that sort of thing. And he's got a lot of attention for making these sidecars. I'm about to get a one-of-a-kind ride around North Goa. Bobbee Bhai knows everyone. And everyone knows Bobbee Bhai.
देख रहा है वापसा चलेगा दिल्ली 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 नहीं
Oh, look at this car! Holy moly, dude! You totally stole our thunder, man!
Before they had no soul.
Bobbee said the most profound thing. He said, if you're not relaxed in Delhi, you're not going to be able to relax in Goa.
Good job, Bob. This is the one that you had forever, na? Mother Superior, yeah. My mom got me this bike. I built her later. I told her I'm getting a job being a school dropout. Job was everything in those days, you know. But school dropout, man. And she said, yeah, job. I said, yeah, my life will finally be settled and made. But the prerequisite to the job is that I must own a Royal Enfield. She goes, but she sold her jewelry and got me this bike. Mother Superior.
This motorcycle is going to live forever then.
She's cradle of old Delhi motorcycles, man. Hey, I got you these. Especially this one. I think I've given you this. This is the Dylan theme bike I'd made. Called the Hoot Nanny. She's at a Dylan cafe. This is very interesting. Vintage medals that I promised a old Yugoslavian soldier. This pen there. This is my guru, Gurmukh. And this M20. This is me as a dispatch rider. All World War II style.
Properly curated shoots these are, huh? That's you?
Yeah, man.
Oh, that's your dad's bike? Oh, look
Uncle's bike.
Uncle's bike.
This is the one I built for Royal Enfield called Delhi.
This one's called Delhi.
This is my ustad, one of my ustads who died.
Who died recently. I saw that.
Ustad Ashik Ali. Yeah.
Harley Davidson asked Bobbee to build a custom sidecar for the Harley X440.
तूने चलाई X440 की नहीं चलाई ये बता कल चलाएगा ना I think you'll like it. तो I was surprised when I was building her. तो पहले मेरे को वही सब prejudice थे कि it doesn't quite look or feel like an Harley. It's too small and blah 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 blah. And then when I put the rig on her and quickly we were building Billy the Kid and I made a beautiful huge sidecar and with like a western wagon from straight out of a Tarantino film. But when I put the sidecar on her, Billy the Kid, when I was making, I put the rig on her, then I had to test her. Time नहीं था अपने पास. तो I wanted to see सीधा चल रही है टेढ़ा चल रही है क्या sidecar है ना. And the minute I turned it around through the narrow gullies of Jhandewala and in Karol Bagh, जैसे ही road पे निकला and let her go, she goes like, I go, wow, this is
For a 440cc motorcycle.
No, she had some oomph, man, which I was not expecting in her. So you don't see her coming. She's cool like that. So I'll show you the bike. Uska silencer, she has quite a growl also, man. Gurrati hai.
I've come to Goa to ride the latest iteration of the X440, the X440T. Tomorrow,
I'll get my hands on that motorcycle.